Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about functions, right? In that video, we discussed about what are functions, advantages of functions, and how to use functions, and an example program that is code to find simple interest, right? Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. In this video, we are going to discuss about modules. See the agenda, what is module and how to use some basic modules like random module, math module and calendar module. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now get into the video. First, what is module in Python? Module in Python are simply Python files allows you to logically organize your Python code and use the code whenever needed. Python provides some inbuilt modules. We are going to discuss some modules in this video. The basic way to use a module is to add import module name at the top of your code and then using module name.var to access the functions and values. First, random module. Random module is used to select or print random value or random object from given number or sequence. So here I'll explain with example. So here first I will import my random module. Import random. Okay. First print random dot random. Okay. So random is the name of our module and this random is functionality in this random module. This random function will print a random number from 0 to 1, a float number. See here, I'll run this. 0.500, some float number is printed. Next, randint. Random.randint. This randint functionality is used when we want to print a random number from given range. I give range as 1,6, so this randint gives a random number in this range. See, I'll run this code. See, 4 is printed. I'll run this code again. See, this time 2 is printed. So randint function gives a random number in the given range. Okay. Next, shuffle method. So to explain this shuffle method, I take a list. I take A, B, C, and D. Random dot shuffle L1. This shuffle method changes the order of our list. Say our list have A, B, C, D. So now I'll print my list L1. See D, B, A, C are printed. So this shuffle method changes the order of list. Finally, the choice method random dot choice L1. X is equal to random dot choice L1. Now I'll print X. This choice method will print a random object or random element from the given list. See here, I'll run this code. See, A is printed. I'll again run this code. This time D is printed. This is random module. Next, math module. To perform mathematical operation, we use this math module. Here, first I'll import my math module. Import math, and I want to print the value of pi, which is 3.14 and something, right? So print math dot pi. Okay, I run this code. See, the value of pi is printed. There is another kind of import that can be used if you only needed certain functionality from the module. See here, for the same example, I want pi, right? I want only pi. So I can use like this also. From math import pi, and I print just pi. See here, the value of pi is printed. This is another kind of import. If you want a certain functionality from a module, we can use like this. From module name and import and whatever functionality we want. You can import a module or object under a different name using as keyword. This is mainly used when a module or object has long or confusing name. For example, I want to find out of square root of some number. For example, square root of 100. So I can use this math module, import math square root. I want this only square root functionality, right? We can use like this, from math import sqrt. This is for square root, and print is square root of 100. See here, square root of 100 is 10, right? 10.0. sqrt, this is somewhat confusing, so to make this clear, I use like this. For math, import square root as square root, right? And here like this, I use like this. So now this is clear, right? And square root of 100, this is fully clear. See, I will change the value 46. Okay, here I run this. 6 is printed. Next, I'll explain the power function here. Print math dot power, and if I give 2, 3, so this will give the value of 2 per 3. See here, I run this. 2 per 3 is 8, right? 2 into 2 into 2. If I change this as 3, 2, it will give 3 power 2. See here, 3 power 2, 9. 3. For example, if you want 2 or more functionalities from this math module, how can we perform? See here, I'll show that. For example, we want to find area of circle. We know that area of circle formula is pi r square. So to find that pi r square, to find the value of pi r square, we need pi and we need power. Both functionalities, right? So I will show you this area of circle. I will import both the modules. From math, import 2 or more functionalities. We can use comma between them. Power, comma, pi. Okay. And next, we need radius, right? So radius r is equal to input. Sorry, it is integer, right? Input, and I'll give a prompt, enter radius, and area is equal to pi into r square, right? Find r square, power of value r, 2. Okay, and I'll print the area. Print, say this code, and I run this code in my CMD. My code is in program 4.py. Okay, it's asking for enter radius. I give radius as 3. See, area is 28.2743, blah 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 blah. Okay. For example, I'll run the code again. The radius is 2. In this case, area is 12.56637 something, right? This is area of circle. Next, I'll explain some trigonometric functions using this math module. So I import the math again, import math, and print math dot sine 45. I'll run this code here. See, this is sine 45 value, and we can change this cos. See, this is cos 45 value, and see, this is tan 45 value, and change this 45 to 90. See, this is tan 90 value. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Finally, the calendar module. To handle operations related to calendar, we use this calendar module. See here, I will explain with example. First, import calendar and print calendar dot calendar. This calendar method gives the calendar for us. First we have to give the year, which year calendar we want. For example, I want the calendar of 2020. So first I have to give year 2020. Come on, next, see here, WLCM. Four parameters are showing here. W for width, L for length, C for distance between 2 months, and M for number of months have to print in a row. So I'll give W as 2 and L as 1 and C as 6, M as 3. See here, I'll save this, Control S to save the code, and I'll run this in my CMD. See here, the calendar is printed. 2020 calendar, the 3 months in a row. If I change these values, for example, I change it to 4. See here, I'll run this. This time there are 4 months in a row, right? I make this 4 to 3, and if I change 6 to 7, 1 to 2, and this 2 to 3, see, you notice the change, right? The width, the length, and the distance between 2 months are changed. Okay, next, to find a year is a leap year or not, we use this easily functionality. See here, print calendar dot isleap, and we have to give year. For example, I give 2020. See here, I run this code here. It is 2. 2020 is leap year, right? That's why I give 2. If I give 2018, false. This is not leap year. That's why I give false. And if you want to see a calendar of a month only, we use this month functionality. See here, print calendar dot month, and in the bracket we have to give year 2020, and we have to give the month number. For example, I give 1, the January month, right? See, this is January month calendar. Okay, if I give 2 here, this will give February month calendar. This is calendar module. If you want to know list of all inbuilt modules in the Python, we have to refer to the Python documentation. See here, to do that, open Chrome or any of your favorite browser and type Python module list. Open this first link here. This is this link, and these are the all inbuilt modules. I'll give this link in description, so please check it out. These are all the inbuilt modules from A to Z, all the modules. See here, from all the modules. And if you want to know about any particular module, click on the module like this, and here there is a detailed explanation about all the functions, and all the details is here. See here. In the next video, we are going to discuss about how to create our own module. If you don't want to miss that video, please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon so you notify when I upload the new video. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.